Jai Shri Ram students, how are you? Welcome back to again our channel Origin. So guys, thank you so much for loving my last video, some integration and one short video. Okay. So today we'll start a very important topic for NDA exam and IIT JEE mains and advanced. 100% sure in NDA exams 5 or 6 question of that chapter, and in JEE mains and JEE advanced one question guaranteed. And most important point, this chapter today we discuss that chapter. It is joined with 12th 3 chapters. So this chapter is very important for JEE aspirants. So chapter name is a very nice chapter. Permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. And this chapter I am not making complete video. I am making point wise video where students are very think complicated point. तो इस चैप्टर में हम पूरे वीडियो नहीं बनाएंगे, हम कुछ पॉइंट्स को लेकर के ही वीडियो बनाएंगे जहाँ पे मोस्टली क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, बच्चा फंसता है. तो पहला तो सबसे पहले फंडामेंटल ऑफ कैलकुलेशन. इट मीन्स फंडामेंटल ऑफ कैलकुलेशन. सो फर्स्टली डिस्कस permutation means and the means of combination. So the first point is the mean of word permutation. The mean of word permutation. Okay, sure. Permutation means, okay, so permutation means mean arrangement. Okay, permutation word means arrangement. Sir, what is the mean of combination? Okay, what is the mean of combination? Combination means, the word means permutation and combination. Combination means selection. Combination means selection. But I think when you select everything, when you arrange everything, like you have some books and you want to adjust in a row wise or column wise or row wise or triangular or line wise or pair wise. When you select some books, then you arrange. Like you have physics, chemistry, math. Many are books. You have physics, chemistry, math books. Okay, so you have many books. So now you select. First you select which one first. Physics first, chemistry first, mathematics first. First physics, then chemistry, then math. Chemistry, math, physics. Math, chemistry, physics. Chemistry, physics, math. Wow. Clear or not? So first you make select. Firstly, when you think of selection, first you arrange everything. No. What I am saying, reverse. When you arrange anything, first you select. But in mathematical, you first read about permutation, then after combination. Okay, बाद में बताऊंगा मैं इसका ऐसा क्यों reason है. So permutation and combination means, permutation mean arrangement and combination mean selection. I hope you understand first difference, first point. Permutation mean arrangement and selection means, combination mean selection. It means when you select anything, when you arrange anything, so first select, then arrange. I think sure. When you go in the sweet shop, so you told sir, please give me 1 kg mixed sweets. So when he take a box, now arrange all sweets. But no, first select. Which one first, which one second, which one third, which one fourth, which one five. Clear or not? Same thing like a golgappe, pani puri. When golgappe, so here is not arrangements, only selection. Same thing because of same things. So you understand first point, permutation and combination means. Okay, now second point, definition of permutation. So definition of permutation means you have 3 things, okay, let example, you have ABC, 3 things. You have ABC. Now you arrange. So how many ways you arrange? ACB, BCA, BAC, CAB, CBA. Not. You look, no any more extra. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 arrangements are possible. Next to 7 are not possible. You can check. You can check. So now we have 3 elements and adjust. First A, second B, third C. First A, second C, third B. BCA, BAC, CAB, CBA. Clear or not? Clear or not? So it means, sir, it means permutation means if you have n objects, n things. So you select all of these or 1 or 2 or 3. So it is permutation. It is permutation. Okay. So permutation, second point, when you arrange everything. So how to arrange all of things? Like this. Clear or not? It means when you arrange. जब आप परमुटेशन में किसी भी चीज़ों को अरेंज करते हो तो इसका मतलब ये है कुछ चीज़ें लेना है, सम थिंग्स, और सारी एक साथ. क्लियर और नॉट? सो व्हेन यू अरेंज सम आइटम्स और ऑल ऑफ थिंग्स एट ए टाइम, सो इट इज परमुटेशन. क्लियर और नॉट? ओके. थर्ड पॉइंट, ऑर्डर. Order. What is the order? What is the order? Okay. Order means when you arrange books. When you arrange books. So when you arrange the books, first you arrange like a physics. Like in example, first you arrange the physics. Okay. So when you arrange the physics, your mind ignore chemistry and math. Chemistry and math. Actually, your mind never ignore physics, chemistry, math. When you select first physics. Okay. So mind give your idea. Please select physics. First you select physics. So mind ignore chemistry and math. Now second order. Now order. Second you select first chemistry or math. So you select math. Then chemistry. Then physics, math and chemistry is a one arrangement of 3 books: physics, chemistry, math. So when you do arrangements of when you do permutation, so order is very important. Order is very important. So it is a basic theory of permutation and combination. It is a basic theory of permutation and combination. And who students जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, तो इंटीग्रेशन वीडियोस कंटिन्यू रेगुलरली, but permutation combination a new chapter of 11th and 12th students who's JEE mains and advanced and NDA aspirants. So order is very important. Order is very important for arrangement. Okay. Order is very important for arrangement. Point number 4 means fundamental theorem of calculation. Fundamental theorem of calculation. Fundamental theorem of calculation or multiplication. Fundamental theorem of multiplication. Okay. And it is very important. Fundamental theorem of calculation and multiplication. Actually, होता क्या है? When you do some work, like when you eat food, then you're sufficient. Your hunger nature is completed. It means जब आप खाना खाते हो और खाना खाने के बाद फिर आपका पेट भर जाता है, then stomach is full pack. Now same thing, fundamental of multiplication. It means if I am saying to you, you go from A to B. You go from A to B and return back B to A. So when you go A to B, then return B to A. If anyone says B to A, come back B to A. So first work is go to A to B. This is order. This is order and fundamental of calculation object. Like when you go from A to B, then you return. Otherwise, how do you return? जब आप वहाँ गए ही नहीं तो आप रिटर्न कैसे हो गए? How do you return? So first go from A to B, then you return from B to A. Clear or not? So why I am saying order is very, very, very important. Order is very, very, very important. So why I am saying fundamental theorem or calculation or multiplication? It means if I am saying to you, now discuss first, मैं पहले ही डिस्कस कर दे रहा हूं, when we use and, it means multiplication. It means multiplication. Like हिंदी, पहले ये काम हुआ, फिर ये काम हुआ, फिर ये काम हुआ, फिर ये काम हुआ. Clear or not? So and means multiplication. Multiplication. And or means addition. Or means addition. So I am saying first. I am saying this first. When you and multiplication or addition, or for addition. Clear or not? So when you using in question first A, then B, or B and B, it means multiplication or means addition. Clear or not? And मोटे मोटे शब्दों में कह दो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज होता है परमुटेशन के लिए और मोस्टली एडिशन यूज होता है कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए. That's all. Okay. So fundamental theorem of calculation of multiplication. What is the fundamental theorem of multiplication and calculation? What is the fundamental theorem? I am saying when you do first work, so total ways of first work is equal to m. Total ways of second work n ways. Same work. So total m into n. सर हमने तो सुना था कि टोटल करने टाइम ऐड करते हैं. टोटल करते टाइम क्या करते हैं? ऐड करते हैं. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, व्हेन यू डू टू थिंग्स टोटल, सो यू ऐड. बट परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन मीन्स, अगर मैं आपसे ये कहूं एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन बोथ आर सेम, यू बिलीव? यस, यू बिलीव. इफ आई एम सेइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड एडिशन both are same, yes, same. How, sir? How? Okay, no problem. What I am saying, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. It means 4 add 5 times. 4 and 4. You get 20. Oh. Anyone comments? Sir, why not add 5 4 times? Yeah, bro, yeah. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. Sir, it means we take a very long example like 275 into 85. It means you add 275 85 times. Yes, my dear students. If you add 275, it means 285 times. So it is a very long process. Yes. So multiply it. So it means multiplication shows always how many times you add. How many times you add that number to 275 into 85. It means you add 275 85 times. It means you add 85. How many times? 275. So multiplication and addition both are same. But usually multiplication used for a shortcut. I hope you understand this theory, and it is a very very funny. Okay, so now what I am saying, total way of work, first work m, and total second work n, m into n. But why I am saying order is most important? Because of when you do first work, until complete first work, second work not started. Understand? Until first work complete, second work never will start. If you go from Delhi to Haryana, Delhi to Rewari, okay, if you go to Rewari to Delhi and return back from Delhi to Rewari, so first go Rewari to Delhi, then you return back. Clear or not? So first work until complete first work, second work never started. Clear or not? Okay. So very small theory for m into n. It means if any work complete with m ways and second were complete n ways. So total were complete mn ways. Total were complete from mn ways. Clear or not? And for m is the first work, n is the second work. So when first work is completed, then n second work is started. Actually, clear or not? Yes. And this things not for two things, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7 things, no problem. Clear or not? Okay. I have taken one more example. I am taking one example. Okay. I have example. If you go Rewari to Jaipur, Rewari to Delhi, and Delhi to Jaipur. Okay. You go from Rewari to Delhi, Delhi to Jaipur. Rewari to Delhi, Delhi to Jaipur. You have Rewari to Delhi 3 ways and Delhi to Jaipur 2 ways. Delhi to Jaipur 2 ways. Okay. Question is how many ways you go Rewari to Jaipur? How many ways you can go Rewari to Jaipur via Delhi? Via Delhi. Okay. First question. But one more thing. Okay. Wait. How many ways you go from Rewari to Delhi and Delhi to Rewari? How many ways you can go from Rewari to Delhi, Delhi to Rewari? So first, when you return Delhi to Rewari, first जाओ तो पहले जाओ तो भाई साहब, आप रेवाड़ी से दिल्ली पहले जाओ तो तभी तो लौटोगे. पहले खाना बनाओ तो तब तो खाओगे. Do you understand or not? First make the food, first prepare the food, then you eat. First go to Delhi, then you return. So when you Rewari to Delhi, you have how many ways? 3 ways. How many ways? 3 ways. It means first work can complete 3 ways. Clear or not? Clear or not? First way complete 3 ways. So first work is Rewari to Delhi. First you go Rewari to Delhi. Yes or no? Second work Delhi to Rewari, Delhi to Rewari, and Delhi to Rewari when you return. How many ways? 3 ways also. 3 ways. What I am saying is starting in question. It means 6 ways. It means 6 ways. Clear or not? So first you go, then you come. पहले जाओ फिर आओ. What I am saying, and multiplication 3 into 3 is equal to, oh sorry 9. I'm so sorry. Clear or not? So order is very important. Actually this point is very important, very impressive word. Order. And in High Court, Supreme Court, order. Just साहब फाड़ दो कानून की किताबें. Relax guys. Clear or not? So Rewari to Delhi, Delhi to Rewari. Yes or no? Is a very useful formula of fundamental theorem of calculation. And I am back to again main point. It is a very basic of permutation and combination, because every question, few problems are left like a word problem. Otherwise every permutation it is depend on this formula m into n. Actually it is, this formula is very close to every question. Clear or not? So it is the basic of permutation and combination. Next lecture we take some examples of this theory. You remember this question. Okay. So next lecture we discuss some questions, some important, some good and nice questions for JEE and NDA. Okay. So thank you so much guys. Keep loving, keep support, and guys please share this video. Please take a link of that video and share in your WhatsApp, and do subscribe if you are first time in visit in my channel. So please guys subscribe and do comment, nice video sir, you're looking so smart, you're looking so handsome, your way of teaching are very nice. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.